y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to come on here today and show y'all a quick look for when you get out of bed Christmas morning and you need to look good for pictures first thing in the morning. So I had just recorded my foundation and I deleted it, and so we're gonna just start from here. So I've already got my CC cream on. I wear the shade Very Light. And don't y'all love my Christmas nails? Don't they look so cute? I just got them done yesterday. So anyway, all right. And so I just kind of come over this. You can leave it dewy like this, but me, I don't like a dewy look. So I just kind of dust powder over the top of it so it doesn't look dewy. And yeah, so that's about it with the foundation. And I don't, for this look, I'm not putting any concealer and stuff on now. I will tell you, if you want to do that, do it. That's up to you. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put my lip on. Lip is optional. You don't have to do that. I mean, just me. I'm just doing it for the video so I don't look so washed out. So this is Soft Nude Lip Gloss. And it's just a good little nude color. Okay, so now I've got that on, and now I'm just going to dust a very, very light eye color on. I'm going to come in with Hazelnut, and I'm just going to dust it over my lid a little bit, because again, we're just trying to do this in a hurry. And you can come over your lid with whatever color you want to do. Okay. Anytime that I start a video, I start coughing. Lord, Lord. All right. And then I'm going to do just kind of the highlight kind of color. Sweep that over the top. Sweep this over the top of that. I'm looking over here in my big mirror so that I can make sure I get it even. So you just want that really light coverage. And then I put a little bit of blush on. And I just pick a light color, this pink. Put a little bit on. And then put some mascara on, and I just grab whatever my favorite mascara is. So that right now is the Fanorama mascara in this pink tube, and I just comb on a couple of coats of that. You don't want a lot, just a little bit, and I just really do it on my top lashes for this when I'm just doing like a quick. This can also be like a quick look, to just run to, the post office or something, or run to the bank, or run, wherever you need to run in a hurry. Or even this can just be like an everyday look. If you don't like a lot of makeup, this can literally be an everyday look. So, I mean, it's totally up to you. And then now me, normally I do fill in my eyebrows because my eyebrows are kind of light. But for this, I'm not going to, because, this is a very light makeup look, and it's just, something quick. So, okay, less than 5 minutes, y'all. So it didn't take me but maybe a minute to put on my foundation and primer. You don't have to use primer with CC cream, and yeah, so, all right. Well, that is my Christmas morning look, and I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas, and I am so excited for y'all to be a part of my channel. And I'm just so thankful for each one of you. And like me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at victoriamissfabulous, hair and makeup by Victoria. Follow me, friend me on Facebook, Victoria Tolbert. And then I have my Facebook pages that are hair and makeup by Victoria and Victoria Tolbert Independent Beauty Consultant. So, all right. Well, I hope y'all have a great holiday season. I hope you've got all your Christmas shopping done, because if you're like me, you try not to wait to the last minute, but you end up waiting till the last minute. So I've got almost mine done, but you know, still got a few things to get. So, all right, well, I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.